Today pretty much sucks. I've said before I don't usually do good on days like this, and for the last hour we've just been stuck in this range, which I tried a trade in there to dig out of the hole that I created for myself, but it's just taking forever, and I can't. It's already 11:30. I can't sit around on this all day. My first trade of the day was decent. Probably should have just ended there, knowing that I don't do good on days that the market's just plunging, and being the first trade and it was profitable. Probably should have just recognized that and called it, but we learned that for next time. I'm tempted to just go down to one trade a day. If the first trade is good, great. If it's a scratch trade, break even, fine, we didn't give any back. And if it's a red trade, well, we're not making it any worse. So I don't know, just a thought. I haven't decided fully yet, but the last couple days we've just done one trade and it's been pretty good. And today the first trade was good, and then I gave it back plus some and kind of was getting angry. So I don't know, just a thought of maybe going to one trade a day, but we'll see. Enjoy the video, and I will see you all tomorrow. I'm placing an order at 210, just at the bottom of this range that's developing. I'll add 5 at 15 if it continues up. It'd be awesome if we can crack 30, maybe rotate up to 50 where VWAP is. Gotta hold this up here for like a minute. I would have wanted that candle to close green. I don't know if that's just psychological or if that would have helped. We do have a little like flag pattern happening right here. Both charts. Go ahead and move 5 up to trigger that, and we'll move the other 5 just to a little bit of in profit, just because this seems a little timid. I feel like it wants to rip, but at the same time, I don't know. Let's put these 5 at like break even, secure our profits on this trade, and maybe look for a different entry. And if this breaks out to the upside, we can get the rotation to 50, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know, it could have been a false breakout. We'll see. I didn't want to keep risking like a 50-50 chance. Just had a point of control move down here on NASDAQ. I'm gonna buy down here. We did a small breakout of this range, but just kind of expecting it to be a false breakout. Expecting it to be a false breakout for no reason, because that just absolutely ripped down. I'm gonna move this down a little bit more and add 5 here just to help our entry. It's a dangerous game, but sitting on 80, usually we get a little bit of support or resistance around there. but I'm gonna look to get out of this as quick as possible if we can climb back up around 200. Should have read this little flag play a lot better. Developed on both charts, and then we finally had a breakout towards the bottom. So obviously we could have gone short around 210-ish, or even just at the bottom of the range, since we did break out during that little consolidation period. We have yesterday's point of control at 70. This is not good. It sucks wanting the market to move in your favor like 20 points just to get to break even. And we just flushed right through from 200 to 80 so quick. Why did those not trigger? That was scary. Well, we started off good. I usually don't like days like this, so seeing that that's how the day was going, and then we were able to make a profit in this range. Probably should have just called it there, but we'll keep going. We're down 390 right now with commissions. I think it's safe to buy here, and because we can put a pretty tight stop, because I mean if we keep making lower lows, it's not good, but we can keep a tight stop to risk a little bit, and with the potential of making quite a bit. I mean, I would like to see us just retrace that downward movement, but those are some high hopes right there. But again, we can keep a tight stop, so we'll just see what happens. We should probably move this to at least a little in profit. It's like 1 point. At least guarantee no giving back. Really want to see us break 80. Maybe that would be the rotation that we've been waiting for all morning. I'm gonna just take that. I don't want to keep risking. Took us from like close to 400 to mid 200, so I think that's a good play, because we could start forming a range right here. So this could just come back down over the next, 5-10 minutes. I don't want to keep holding it. I feel like just the point at which we kind of start rotating back up. This bar, we had a higher low, and then this one is much higher low, obviously. It's about to close here in 30 seconds. I had 5 at 94 if we get there. Oh, this may just come back down to the lows. is going on today? I'm gonna get stopped out and then it's gonna start climbing up. Are you freaking kidding me? Well, we've had no success with buying, so I'll short the hell out of this. Well, we had success in the very beginning. Probably shouldn't even be in a trade right now down here. And that candle just closed right in the middle. So it's like anyone's game, buyers or sellers. It's pretty even. On the 15-minute chart, we're making a freaking range down here. And I just got in kind of in the middle of it. I'm gonna pull this stop down to right above 80. Put it at like 81 and if and when we get stopped out. I'm gonna wait a little bit to see if this forms a little W. Because if it does, we'll just jump in later. Assuming we even can still. Kind of screwing this account up right now. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes, see if this forms a W pattern. And if it doesn't, just be done for the day. We gave back a lot more than we wanted to. I like this consolidation that's happening down here along, this is on the 15-minute chart, along with point of control moving down here. I also have a buy up at around 98 because looking at the 5-minute chart, which this is a 5-minute chart also, but this one on the left is a little cleaner because there's no trades. If we form this little W pattern and get up above like 95-ish, could get back up into the low 200s. Plus we're in already 5 at 81. But if we can break through that little W pattern, along with point of control down here, the consolidation, I think going to VWAP is a good goal at like 230-ish. Even possibly 240, 250. So we'll see. We had this huge sell-off, so consolidation, a lot of volume down here could just have us ride a wave right back up, but we'll see. So it's good so far, but we're still in this 15-minute range, so we really need to break above that 94-ish. Trying to just give it some time. But admittedly, I've already kind of given up on today. I don't really want to be down freaking $880 when I felt really good about yesterday and we were just barely pushing 400 on the day, so that's not good. Take every green day was 400 and every red day was 800. It would take 3 days to climb out of one red day, or at least to be profitable. Still just sitting right on point of control. Alright, well, that was one of the most boring days. We're just stuck in this range for the last hour. Already went way past what I wanted to lose. And we will just come back tomorrow and try again. Kind of at the point now where I'm kind of down on this account, and Apex is doing that 90% off, so might just YOLO it tomorrow, and if that doesn't work, just grab another one for 90% off. I know it's not, shouldn't be thinking like that, but it just is what it is at the moment. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I gotta say from today. See you all tomorrow.